RichLand Court. RichLand Court offers a serene and well-planned community at a very affordable price. The estate is located at the heart of Magboro, a border town to Ojodu-Better, Lagos State. The presence of several fully developed estates and communities makes Choices Land scheme in Magboro, which has offered more than 150% return on investment to investors in the last 12 months. RichLand Court is behind Punch newspaper on Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, 5 minutes drive time from MFM Prayer City, 12 minutes drive time from Ojodu-Better, and 25 minutes drive from Alausa Ikeja. The spillover effect of the Lagos population, newly constructed Lagos-Ibadan Expressway gives the estate a boundless ROI and makes buying into RichLand Court a smart choice. Relaunch price 5 million naira, 25% discount for first 25 buyers. We offer flexible payment plan, land title, governors concert. For further inquiry, contact us at our office at 85 Iju Cinema Road, Ogba, Lagos, or visit our website at www.piedrasproperties.com or call +234 8188 26 9995 or +234 80 34 36 1057. Piedras Properties and Investments Limited, adding value, making owning properties seamless.